Bless up YouTube, bless up universe. We're getting literally lemon bar lit in the kitchen today.
Show you how to make a quick and easy homemade lemon bar recipe. Before we do anything, let's preheat this oven to 350. And here's what you're gonna need. A cup of flour, you're gonna need a cup of butter or a stick of butter, a cup of powdered sugar or confectioner sugar, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla, a little quarter teaspoon of that zest, and a quarter teaspoon of some salt.
Bless up, Simon Wilson back here with you, cooking in the kitchen. We are literally getting lit with homemade lemon bars. The first thing you want to do is cream the butter and sugar and flour together. It's fairly important to use room temperature butter. That way it creams easier and mixing generally goes a lot better for you. To the cup of flour, sugar, and 1 stick of butter, we add a quarter teaspoon of zest, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla, or so, and then a quarter teaspoon of salt. Oh, tap, tap. On creme brulee. Crust is red-eye gravy. And was forgetting a very important step while we were forking around, and that is, no, these are not Bugle Boy jeans I'm wearing. These are docking jeans that I'm wearing.
Now we're gonna go ahead and throw this thing in the oven for about 25 minutes.
And to add, once our crust is done cooking and baking, and you don't want to bake it all the way through, because again, once we put together the lemon custard that we're going to put on top of it, we're going to bake it a little bit more. So always underdone the first round on the crust is a-okay. But you'll start the lemon with 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a cup of sugar, the rest of our lemon zest, little tad bit of salt. Again, you can eyeball or measure out to your liking the vanilla, and we'll use 1/2 of lemon juice. let these cool for a second while we finish mixing the lemon topping. Bless up. Basically gonna put 2 eggs. Get the yolk of 1 egg. Keep those separate. Basically creaming the eggs and the sugar together here. I'll do a little bit at a time. And then I personally also don't enjoy using a whisk very much, so I use just a mixer. Which tends to not get quite as stuck up. It still mixes pretty darn well. Nice little eyeball of vanilla. Pinch of salt. And give that a nice stir, nice mix. Eggs are a beautiful thing. Kind of the more you mix them and the more air you get into them, and then you can overmix them or break up that air. But again, if you mix them and whip in the right, correct amount of air and consistency, they can zest on top. Right back in the oven. Same tree fitty. Do that for 25 minutes, the old number 25. Bouillon creme brulee, that is red-eye gravy. Bouillon creme brulee. Bless up, YouTube. Back with the finishing touches for these super amazing lemon bars. Basically gonna cut out from the pan then once we get it out of the pan, we will top it with meringue. Woo! Bouillon, creme brulee. We've got lemon delicious. And that's what we got right now. Here we are going to separate the egg and the yolk. To make our meringue. Just holding on there for dear life. So we'll start off and just beat the egg white a little bit till it becomes a bit malleable. Just get it on low. It happens fairly quickly. You can see the consistency change. It was malleable. We got a bit foamier, and then once you add the sugar again, it will just thicken up and fluff, and that air will get in there, and the sugar will aerate that egg, and the heat will be able to create a good meringue. Beautiful. That's fantastic. That is what we want.
Ooh-wee.
Beautiful and amazing work.
Yo, thanks for tuning in. Hope you liked the video. Try out the recipe. Let me know what you think. Till then, I'll catch you on the next one.